Hi, it's the afternoon, and we're gonna walk over to Grandma Beth's house. How are you, Jonah? How was your Christmases?
Hey, Grace is the boy of the whole wide world.
It is Rochelle's birthday, so we might see her. The plan was to go over and play games, so we're gonna do that anyway. Cool. I like Rochelle.
Ready?
She's a really great sister-in-law. It snowed a whole bunch. Well, not a whole bunch. A nice amount today. So we get to go walk around through it. Ooh, I should wear Melissa's snow boots. I just saw Melissa's snow boots. And I don't have snow walking shoes. So Crystal's gonna play Prince Charming. Put some snow boots on my feet. You hold the back and I'll stomp down. Oh, or that. That works. There we go. That's better. Alright, so now we're about to go out. Stop doing that! This front door is locked, and the only way you can unlock it is with a key. So we might have to go out the back door.
Yeah, let's go out the side door there.
We're going out the side door! The blanket got all messed up. Here we are. Oh, it's cold. Oh. There's Melissa's house. Right there, the brown one. Oh, my eyes are watering. It's a cold day. See Milo? There's Milo. You see him? Hi. This is a bad idea. Bad idea. We're almost there. Woo! Cold! We made it. Oh. Okay. Hi. Woo. We're here. And Jesse's the only one here. So, we can play a game with Jesse. Hi, guys.
Hi.
I just made Jonah a grilled cheese sandwich. Look how beautiful that is. It's a work of art. Want to take that to the table?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yay.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Me and Melissa and Jonah are gonna go to Chinese. Get some Chinese food. Yay! It's the afternoon. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Mm. Look at his ice cream. That looks beautiful.
Well, I'm gonna eat this.
Are you done? Are you gonna get ice cream or anything? I might
I'm gonna eat this one. I'm gonna eat this one.
Well, I guess if it works, it works. Jonah, what did you say your fortune cookie said? Have joy.
Have joy.
Be happy.
Be happy. And
Go.
and go. But Ali says, choose another fortune cookie.
It actually says pick another fortune cookie. Hi, kindergarten. good.
Hey, it's Joe from My Life. If you like this video, subscribe for the like button. See you tomorrow. Bye.